When it comes to accountability and transparency in public offices, few issues generate as much controversy as the mishandling and destruction of official records. And this is precisely what has come under scrutiny with the recent revelations surrounding the Worrell Grand Jury investigation. But here's where it gets controversial. A grand jury formed in Polk County is examining allegations that Orange-Osceola State Attorney Monique Worrell and her staff systematically failed to preserve important documents belonging to taxpayers, even going as far as deleting them. This situation opens up questions about the integrity of record-keeping practices in legal offices and whether political motives might influence such investigations. According to a report filed by an investigator involved in the case, the grand jury was looking into misconduct spanning from 2017 to 2023, a period that covers the tenure of both Worrell and her predecessor, Orange-Osceola. The investigation alleges that Worrell's former chief of staff, Keisha Mulfort, stored official records on a private Gmail account, which is generally considered a major breach of protocol for official documentation. When Mulfort was dismissed in 2023 after Governor Ron DeSantis suspended Worrell, those records allegedly were deleted. What's even more disconcerting is that further investigation indicated Worrell, Mulfort, and possibly others intentionally did not preserve certain public records, reportedly following directives from Worrell herself. The investigator claimed that this misconduct was handed over directly to the grand jury at the request of Marion Lake State Attorney Bill Gladson, who chose not to comment publicly when questioned at the courthouse on the day Worrell was questioned. By April, the investigation officially wrapped up without any charges being filed against Worrell, Mulfort, or anyone else involved, a fact that might seem like closure, but it leaves many questions unanswered. For instance, why has access to the grand jury's findings been so elusive? Requests for the records related to their work have been consistently rejected by prosecutors, fueling speculation about transparency and oversight. Another layer of mystery involves the reason a Polk County-based grand jury was necessary in this case. The details remain unclear. Possibly there are connections to Polk County cases, or perhaps jurisdictional issues are at play. Mulfort has not responded to media inquiries, and Worrell's official response was more general, painting the probe as a partisan witch hunt aimed by political rivals bitter about her re-election. She dismissed the allegations as false and baseless, emphasizing her commitment to her duties and stating she looks forward to addressing these accusations thoroughly. But the controversy invites us to ponder: how often do political disputes cloud the pursuit of justice? And what does this say about the potential for impartiality when investigations are driven by political motivations? Now, it's your turn. Do you believe such investigations should be free of political influence? Or do you think there's room for partisan motives to sway legal proceedings? Drop your thoughts in the comments. This conversation is far from over.